In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save draft email in Outlook. So I'm here on my computer with Outlook open, and the first thing I'm going to do is move up to the top left corner and click on New Mail. As soon as I click it, a new Compose window opens, and now I'm ready to start creating my email. At this point, I can begin entering the details of the email. I click inside the To field and type the recipient's email address if I already know who I'm sending it to. Then I move down to the subject field and type the subject of the email. After that, I click inside the message area and start typing the email itself. You don't have to finish everything right now. Even if you just type part of the message or leave it incomplete, Outlook can still save it as a draft. Now let's say I'm not ready to send the email yet and I want to come back to it later. What I'm going to do is move my mouse up to the top right corner of the Compose window and click the Close button, which is the X. As soon as I click the X, Outlook shows a prompt asking if I want to save the changes. I go ahead and click Save. As soon as I click Save, Outlook closes the Compose window, and the email is now stored safely as a draft. It's not sent to anyone yet, it's just saved so I can finish it later. To confirm that it's saved, I move over to the left sidebar and click on the Drafts folder. Once I click Drafts, I can see the email listed there. This means Outlook successfully saved it. Whenever I'm ready to continue working on it, I can just double click the draft and it will reopen so I can finish editing and send it. And that's it. I opened Outlook, clicked New Mail, entered the email details, clicked the Close button, and selected Save when prompted. The email is now saved in the Drafts folder and ready whenever I need it.